name's Tom Martin, and my company is called LawDroid. I'm also a lawyer, and you may not know it, but lawyers are actually the #1 most stressful occupation in the United States. And there's about 1 million lawyers in the US and an extra 200,000 in Canada. About 60% of them are small and solo firms, and they're under a lot of economic pressure to deliver their services at a lower cost. So they have a lot of stress about that, they have a lot of stress about doing their job, and now with AI, they're worried about AI eating their lunch. So what we do is we've created this AI legal assistant that helps in various different areas, with research of the law, with drafting, also uploading their own documents, unlocking the power of their own work product, and besides the features and helping with work, we also have an emotional support function that helps them to deal with the stresses of everyday life. So it helps them to get work done more quickly and also to get home to their family more quickly, and helps with work-life balance. We pivoted to this in December of last year after ChatGPT came out, and we've had 500 plus customers sign up. We've been bootstrapped and profitable, and just recently we actually had a competitor of ours get acquired by Thomson Reuters for $650 million in cash. So there's definitely market validation with what we're doing, and I invite you to check us out at lawdroid.com. Thank you so much for your time today.